Welcome to Milani's Fun with Thermomix. I want to show you this new Thermomix trolley and what we can fit into it. So, the base of your Thermomix goes into the bottom one. The bowl, pop your steaming basket in there, measuring cup inside, pop the lid on, splash guard on top, and that goes in there. As usual, I like to use a glider board to protect my scales. That one slides into the side there. And to protect my clothes, my apron. So let's zip that up. The next part is this bag. It's got a little section there which you just slide over the handle as such, and it sits on top of your Thermomix. So if you have a look inside, I've placed the two dividers in there. We're going to take our Varoma and the tray and slide it in there. Varoma lid in there. Then the cutter grater, I've just turned the lid around to make it slightly smaller. This one will just pop in the side over here. There we go. Then we're going to pop our Thermomix bowl on top. Your thermomat can just slide in the side over here. And I've got my thermo toolkit that I'll slide into the other side. A spatula, brush, and just stick into some of these holes. And then I'm also fitting in the thermoserver. So this one will just go on its side over there. What did I do wrong now? There we go. And then the base of the thermoserver just behind your Varoma as such. Wisk on top. And there's so many more things you can put in here. You can even put the Varoma on the side. You can Tetris it in just as you want to. And now I've got two little hands. And I don't know what I've done. Let's just try this again. Sorry, the bowl must go this side. That's what I did wrong. There we go. Ta-da! I knew I did something wrong. Now it fits easily. And we're just going to zip it up. Put the Velcro first. Then the zip there. And the zip there. Ta-da! Maybe I need a bit more practice, but send me a video, send me some comments. How do you pack your Thermomix trolley? Thank you for visiting Milani's Fun with Thermomix.